Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to build a sort of car. Basically I am following the Blender 3D software tutorial from Nefi 3D. You also can learn Blender 3D from here. The instructor is very best, top class, the understanding is very good. The problem is the course is entirely in Hindi, so you have to know Hindi first. So if you want to follow along my video, in the left bottom you can see my buttons whichever I have used, and go follow along. Or if you want to see the project video which from where I learned, you can go to Nefi 3D and watch the Blender's second video.